Music. Want a deep dive into the Bybit crypto platform? Links are below. This video explores Bybit's features, its ideal user, and if it's right for you. Bybit excels with advanced tools like leverage trading, derivatives, and spot trading. Built for active traders and pros, it boasts an intuitive interface, real-time charting, fast execution, and high liquidity. Beyond basic exchanges, Bybit offers up to 100x leverage on futures contracts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. Its user-friendly yet powerful tools include advanced charting, indicators, and APIs for algorithmic trading. Manage trades flexibly with limit, market, and conditional orders, perfect for day or swing trading. Looking for passive income? Bybit offers staking and lending to earn rewards on your crypto. Bybit's low maker-taker fees start at 0.075% for spot trades, competitive within the industry. Security is robust with 2FA, cold storage, and advanced encryption. Deposits and withdrawals are quick, supporting crypto and fiat through third-party services. Bybit is excellent for active traders and those interested in leveraged derivatives, staking, and lending. Not ideal for beginners, but experienced traders will find all the tools they need. Check the description to get started.